I bought my first stock when I was 11 years old. I spent $114.75. Three shares, $114.75. If I put that 114 into the S&P 500 at that time and reinvested the dividends, $400,000 today, one person's lifetime. That's America.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Currency Wizard. If you ever wondered how ordinary people manage to build extraordinary wealth, today's episode will shed some light. We're talking about making millions, not through sheer luck or secrets, but with one simple financial principle. Yes, today we debug myths and focus on real, actionable strategies that you can start using right now. Let's dive in. The trick we're discussing today is something that has been called the greatest mathematical discovery of all time. It's not a hidden stock market strategy or a risky business venture. It's compound interest. Something so powerful, Albert Einstein himself called it the eighth wonder of the world. Compound interest means that you earn interest not just on your initial investment, but also on the interest that accumulates over time. It's interest on interest, which can grow your wealth exponentially. Say you start with an investment of $10,000 in a mutual fund that averages a 10% annual return. With simple interest, you would earn just $1,000 each year. But with compound interest, if you reinvest your earnings after 30 years, you won't have just $40,000. You'd have over $174,000. That's the power of compounding. Let's look beyond theory into how compound interest shapes real fortunes. Consider Warren Buffett. Starting with limited funds, through consistent investment and reinvestment, he leveraged the power of compounding to amass billions over decades. You don't need to be a billionaire to benefit. For instance, a regular college graduate saving $200 monthly at a 6% annual return can grow their savings to over $400,000 in 40 years. This shows that with time and patience, compound interest can work wonders. Let's dive even deeper. If you start with $10,000, invest at an 8% annual return, here's what happens. After 1 year, you've earned $800 in interest. Reinvest that, and the next year you earn interest on $10,800, not just the original $10,000. In 10 years, without adding more money, your initial investment grows to about $21,589. In 20 years, it's almost $50,000. And in 30 years, you're looking at over $100,000, all from your initial $10,000. This demonstrates the critical impact of both the rate of return and time on your investments. And we're just talking about one investment. Imagine having a huge portfolio of investments, all giving you compound returns. The money would be exponential. To truly harness the power of compound interest, consider these strategies. First, invest as early as possible. The younger you start, the more dramatic the compounding effect. Next, reinvest all your earnings. It's tempting to take profits, but the real growth comes from letting your interest generate more interest. Also, consider the frequency of compounding. The more frequent your investments compound, the faster your money grows. Annual is common, but quarterly or even monthly compounding accelerates growth. Now, I want to turn this into a community journey. I challenge each of you to start with whatever amount you can, set up an account, choose a fund, and begin your compounding journey today. Share your starting point and goals in the comments. If we can get enough people participating, every month we'll feature some of your stories to showcase the real-world impact of sticking to a smart financial plan, and to motivate others to join us on this path to financial independence. Remember, the secret to building wealth isn't always about earning more money, but making your money work for you. through the magic of compound interest. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more empowering financial advice. See you in the next video, where we'll transform your financial future.